Q-Ball Salsa, Team X-TREME North. Here to show you this great little special we got. Right now, we got this 2016 Hyosung, brand new, $24.99. Great starter bike. Just take a look at this bike. It's beautiful. One thing that we specialize here at Team X-TREME is getting anybody financed. I don't care. Good credit, bad credit, repossessions, bankruptcies, no matter what, we'll get you done. So come on over here and take a look at this dash on this bike, and you'll see this bike is brand new, 2016. Now, one thing that we are doing right now at the $24.99, you also get this SC Project exhaust system. $500, absolutely free. Now let me start this bike up for you so you can hear it. Now, come down here, Team X-TREME North or the South location. My name is Michael, Q-Ball Salsa. We're open from 9 till 8, Saturday till 6. Don't miss out on this. We have a little bit of an inventory. We want to move it out of here, and we're going to get you that price. $24.99 with a $500 exhaust system. Good credit, bad credit. We will get you approved. Come see me.